Good morning, students. Myself is Yogesh Barad, and today we'll see our standard 7th subject maths. Last time I already started the miscellaneous problem set number 2nd, and in that one you are completed up to the question number 5. Today we'll see the question number 6 onwards. See here, in that one, how to solve the next example. See here, use the formula to multiply. See this question number 6 one is, here we have to use this formula, that is a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. See, they will be given some problem which are in the form of a plus b and a minus b, and we have to write only in the form of a square minus b square. Then see here, I will tell you about the first example, x minus 5 and x plus 5. See here, this is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. Then here a means x is there, and here b means 5 is there. Then we have to write in the form of a square minus b square. That will come x square minus 5 square. X square will come here x square, and 5 square will come here 25. Okay, then same question here in the second one we have to solve, that is a 2a minus 13, 2a plus 13. See, this is also in the form of a plus b and a minus b. Then what will come, 2a bracket square minus 13 bracket square, that will get here 4a square minus 169. Again in the third one also same, they are given 4z minus 5y, 4z plus 5y, and here also you have to use a formula of a plus b and a minus b equal to a square minus b square. In the fourth one also 2t minus 5 and 2t plus 5. See, this is also in the form of a plus b and a minus b form. Then here also you have to use a square minus b square form. See, this way we have to solve the question number 6 one. Okay. Now in the 7th one question, see that question, it is there in your textbook. I am written here only the solution. Then see what they ask in the 7th question. The diameter of the wheel of a cart is 1.05 meter. How much distance will it the cart cover in a 1000 rotation of the wheel? See this question. You read one more time, that diameter of the wheel of a cart is 1.05 meter. See, diameter of the cart they are given, and they ask here how much distance will the cart cover in a 1000 rotation of a wheel. Then how to solve this one? First here, the distance covered by the wheel in a one rotation, that will come here circumference of the wheel. See, the distance covered by the wheel in a one rotation, that will gives the circumference of the wheel. We have to find it using this pi d formula. Here pi value you know it, 22 upon 7 is there. D for diameter they are given here 1.05. You put it this value, and after solving this, after doing the calculation, we'll get it here 3.3 meter, because diameter they are given in a meter. Okay, and next part here, what to do? The distance covered by wheel in a 1000 rotation. See, for one rotation that cart will cover 3.3 meter. Then for 1000 rotation, how to do? We have to do the multiplication, 3.3 into 1000, that will get here 3300 will get. That we want to convert this meter into kilometer. See, here you want to find out the distance in kilometer. Therefore here what to do? You convert this meter into kilometer. We have to divide this overall, whatever the number is there, that we have to divide by 1000, that we have to divide by 1000 here, and here we'll get here, we have to divide this by 1000, we have to divide this by 1000, and the final answer will get here 3.3 kilometer will get. What will get? 3.3 kilometer, that is a cart will cover the distance. Okay, then this is about the 7th one question is there. Now we'll come to our 8th one question. See, in the 8th one question, total they ask here 3 questions. We have to solve one by one. Then see here, the area of a rectangle of a garden of a length 40 meter and is a 1000 square meter. See, here they are given the area of a rectangular garden is a 1000 square meter they are given, and here they are given the length is a 40 meter. First they ask here, find the breadth of the garden. Then see, this is about the first question. Then how to solve? Then you write down the area of a rectangle formula, L into B, that is 1000 equal to 40 into B, that B equal to 1000 upon 40. After doing the calculation, we will get a 25 meter, that is a breadth for first question. See, in the next question they ask here, find its perimeter, and a garden to be enclosed by 3 round of fencing, leaving the entrance of 4 meter. Find the cost of fencing of garden at the rate of 250 rupees per meter. See here, next question here. First you find out the breadth. Then afterwards here you draw this figure. See this garden is a rectangular, but they kept some gap 4 meter for their entrance. Therefore you draw the figure this way. Okay, this gap will be for entrance, for a gate. Okay, therefore you show it a rectangular garden and little bit gap for 4 meter, that is for entrance. And here in the second question, first you find out the perimeter of the rectangular garden. You know it, rectangular garden perimeter, how you can find that formula is 2 into L plus B. That 2 into bracket L plus B. Here L you know it 40, B is a 25. After doing this calculation, we will get a 130 meter as a perimeter of a rectangular garden. Okay, then here they want to put the garden has been enclosed by 3 round of fencing. See here they want to put the 3 round of fencing. Here see perimeter of fencing of a garden. How do you can find out? See this is a 4 meter entrance gap is there, and for that entrance you do not require the fencing, and therefore what you do for fencing for one round, you required 130 meter as a wire, but here they have a gap of 4 meter, that you subtract, that will gives the perimeter of fencing of a garden. Why to subtract this 4 meter? Because here it is a gap, for that one you don't require the wire for fencing. Therefore from total perimeter 130 minus 4 you do, will get at 126 meter. That much wire will required for one round. 126 meter wire will required for one round, because the entrance is for 4 meter wide is there, that you want to subtract from total perimeter of rectangular garden. Okay, now here you want to do the 3 rounds. For one round you required 126 meter. For 3 round you have to multiply 126 into 3, that will get a 378 meter wire will required for 3 rounds of a fencing. Okay, but the next question they ask here, find the cost of fencing of the garden at a rate of 250 rupees per meter. See that wire, 1 meter wire will be for 250 rupees. Then for total fencing you require 378 meter wire. Then what to do? You multiply this rate by the length of a fencing of a wire, means 250 into 378 you do, that will get rupees 94,500. That is the total cost of wire will be required for a 3 fencing. Okay, then this is about the question number 8 is there, and in the next video we'll see the next part of this.